Hi, my name is Louise Zhang. I'm a Chinese-Australian artist working across painting, installation and sculpture. One way of addressing it and signalling how proud I am to be Chinese-Australian was to start putting those kind of aspects of my culture into my work. It's all these things that I've denied myself and never really cherished or understood how important they are. So now that I do, it's highly inspirational. So things that may be very commonplace for my parents or my family, to me it's like a new discovery. For the NGV collection, I've got 2 paintings and 1 sculpture. I'm really excited that they're going to be shown at the NGV and being acquired by the NGV. I never thought I would even have the opportunity. It's been really exciting working with Mecca, particularly the design team. The way that the works have been translated into the packaging, the use of like crops and foils and fluorescence, and just seeing it in a way that is separate to the work on canvas. It's beautiful and it's so saturated and rich, and they really understood what I was trying to go for. I guess it's one of the first works I've made to really address my culture. So I looked a lot into prints and propaganda posters, as well as universal languages that are inherent in Chinese culture. And so from there, it turned into this work, and now I get to share it with everyone via Mecca.